Hey y'all, it's Holly, the owner and creator of Rocked by Holly. These are my products that I have came up with at the moment. It is a polygel kit that I have worked on. Let's see, I think I've been working on it for about a year and a half, and I finally have it down to where I'm loving it. I'm gonna show you guys how to use my product doing a polygel fill, and then I will be doing an acrylic nail because I want to do some embedding into my product. So let's get started. I have already prepped my nails, as you can see. I went ahead and took off the middle nail, but you can tell like I've had this set I think since April. Yeah, because that's when I changed my shape. But you see there's no lifting. I don't have a huge hump right here. A lot of people have a big hump. Yes, I'm gonna do this one too. But people be having like a huge hump. As you can see, mine are smooth, so it looks like it's growing from the nail. That's my whole goal and mission. I want enhancements to look like your nails. So let's get started. Okay, right here we have my pH bond. The pH bond will balance the pH in your nails. So I wanted to use this for my first step. I use this to dehydrate the nail. Now, when I say dehydrate the nail, I don't want you guys to think, oh, dehydrate the nail, that's good. No, if you dehydrate the nail, you have to put something back into it. So when I say dehydrate, I'm using this to like take the oils and anything that may be on the nail that does not need to be there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Let's see. You guys see me? Okay, yeah. Yes, I do my own nails. Okay, now as you see, I'm not flooding the cuticles. It is a chemical, so you don't want to be just flooding the cuticle area with product. So I'm in the process of working on a protein bond. This one is from Young Nails, and I love it. I've been using it forever. I used to be a mentor with them, and I taught classes and traveled around with them. This product is amazing. It's non-acid, and it's an adhesion, so it works like a double-sided sticky tape. So it's going to adhere from the bottom and the top, which is very, very, very important. Again, I'm not flooding the cuticles. I'm just putting it around the area that has natural nail. Now, you can protein bond twice if you like, or once. It just depends on how well you do your prep work. For people who are just starting out, I say go ahead and stick to doing 2 coats. Sometimes I don't even do 2 coats. Sometimes I just do 1 coat. But I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 coats so you guys see. Yeah, it's like a double-sided sticky tape. And I want to show you guys something. So I went ahead and removed let me close this up because I'm super clumsy. So I went ahead and removed my nail enhancement from this nail. I had the polygel on. You can see there's no damage to my nail. See? I have long nail beds. Yep, that's the end of my nail because my skin grows up, so that's all skin. But I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to do some embedding on this nail. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the polygel extension stuff that I use, or the product that I use. I don't want to say stuff, but this is the polygel. And this is what you use to extend the nail. It is quick building, as you can see. I'll show you guys in another video on how to do a full set with the poly extension gel. Trying out some nail art. Anyway, so I'm gonna take my cute little Rocked by Holly brush. I love this brush. It has a slicer, which you need for your polygel, and it has this side, this little bitty brush, but it works well. You don't need a big brush when you're using gel. Now, one thing I want to explain to you before I get into using this, I use I use a monomer for my slip solution. They say you can use alcohol. I don't really suggest using alcohol unless it's like 99%, because if you're using 70% alcohol, it's definitely gonna lift, because that's 30% water and 70% alcohol. The 99% is 99% alcohol and 1% water. So I use my Young Nails monomer. Okay, this is what I use. Love their products again. So you only need a little bit. You only need a little bit. So yes, I use this to, yes, it's great for your liquid. It's great. Anyway, so I take my brush, I hold it along the side of my liquid bottle. I'm gonna pour just a little bit. I do this so the liquid doesn't run down the side of the bottle and waste, because I hate wasting product. Product costs money, okay? So just a little bit. That's all you really need. A little goes a long way, because you need the liquid to just manipulate the product. Choose some lint-free towels. I use these. The blue shop towels always come in handy. So now what I do is that I take my polygel and I put it on all 4 of my fingers. I'm gonna leave this one blank. So I'm gonna go ahead and do pinky, ring, and index finger. So you're gonna take a little bit, because remember, I'm just filling this piece right here, so I don't need a lot. Take a little bit, about like that for the pinky. Doing your own nails is a challenge. Okay. Same thing. See how thick this is? It's not moving. It's not gonna go anywhere. Okay. When I put my product on, maybe a little bit more for that finger, I like to press it down this way. Kind of make like an indentation. This is how I put my hard gel on too. So then I go ahead and clean it off. I'm a very clean and neat worker. I think it's very important. Technician, I hate seeing people's stations dirty, and their brushes and their gel lamps. Like, you guys can't take a few minutes out and clean your station. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. As you see, the product has not moved. I'll put this one on after I cure these. So yes, you do have to cure these. So I just take a little bit. Okay. Take a little bit of my liquid. And I'm gonna go ahead and, as you see how I'm leaving this space up here, that's very important. You don't ever want to put all your product close to the cuticle. You don't want to flood it, I should say. Don't flood your cuticle with product. Take some more liquid so you can manipulate it. See, I'm taking the belly and body of my brush. So this is the body. The middle part of my brush is the body and belly. Go ahead and clean. Just like that. See that? Easy. Same thing. I'm gonna take it. Sorry, you guys. Okay. Walk it around the cuticle. Get a little more. If it starts to feel like you can't move it, go ahead and get more liquid so you can go ahead and manipulate your product. See how I'm smoothing this in? Again, walk it around the cuticle. A little bit more liquid. Start to blend it in. Everything's covered. See that? Okay. Same thing. Push it towards the cuticle, and then you start to walk it around. Use the tip of your brush. And I use the belly, and I use the body, which is the center part of my brush, for the middle. Okay? Walk it around. That little piece off. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this thumb real quick. This is in real time, you guys. Thumb. Yeah, my nails are a mess, but they're about to be pretty. Put it on there like that. I'm trying to mess that up. Okay. Now, we're going to do the same thing. Push it towards the cuticle. See how it's flattening out? What I love about this product, it's so easy to manipulate. Smooth my product down. Okay, sweat it. Same thing, walk it around. Pull it. The belly of my brush, see that? Same thing. Start to smooth it out. This ensures that you have like minimum filing, you guys. I don't do a lot of like filing. See that? All right. Put that to the side. Let me get my lamp. Be right back. Hey guys, if you want to see how I finish this fabulous set of nails, please head over to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Take care. Have a fabulous day.